Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I will teach you how you can increase your Facebook page followers and likes, and you can get thousands of likes with a cheap cost. So it's a really easy campaign you can create and you will get thousands of likes on your Facebook page, Facebook group. You can get a lot of legit followers from this campaign. So before jumping into the video, I like to tell you something about myself that I have been helping businesses and individuals who have been running their Facebook ads campaign, Google ad campaign, and they're not getting good results from their campaign and they're wasting a lot of money in their ad accounts. So I've been helping them to optimize their ad accounts and boosting their leads and giving them a quality leads on their campaigns. I would love to help you out too if you're stuck with your ad campaigns and not getting good results from them. You can book a call with me. I will drop a link in the video description and I would love to work with you. So let's jump into the video. What we need to do to create a engagement campaign where you can get a lot of likes and followers on your Facebook page or group. You can go here, click on create campaign, and we'll go into engagement. So what it does, it will create an engagement campaign where you can select what type of engagement you want on your Facebook page or group. So once we are here in the campaign level, we can see that it is already selected that we need to have an objective as an engagement. You can click see more here. You will see the campaign spending limit which you can set, but it's not really important. You can set up here. You can just click on advanced campaign budgeting and you don't need to do the daily budgeting for engagement and followers. I prefer doing the lifetime budget. Set the $20 or 50, set like minimum $50 for the lifetime budget of that campaign, and you will get a really good results out of it. So once you have set up everything here, you can go to ad set level and here you will select your Facebook page. Once you do that, so let's select the Facebook page first. We have selected our Facebook page here and it gives us the option of the engagement. So it says that it will give us maximum number of conversions or on our Facebook Messenger, Instagram if we have connected, or the Facebook or the WhatsApp. So, but we don't want this. We don't want messaging or the engagement or this type of engagement from this campaign. We want likes and follows on our Facebook page. So what we'll do, we'll come here, conversion location, and click edit on this one. So it gives us all different options here. We'll go to Facebook page option and select it. So what it will do, it will change our goals and everything here. It will give us maximum number of page likes. So now it will display or show our ads to those people who are most likely to like our Facebook page. So this is a simple process. Just select the Facebook page option and change the conversion goal and you're good to go. So once you do that, just select the audience, and I prefer if you go to the location, just go broad. If you're targeting US, UK or any other country, just go broad, go to the state level location targeting. Like if you're targeting US and you want to target the specific states, just go broad, like just like New York, New Jersey and everything. Don't go into a specific zip codes or putting the miles in it, because if you have a big audience to target, you'll get a really good results out of it, because you're not expecting any leads from this campaign. We need more likes, so you can go broad on this campaign towards the targeting location. I always do the country level. If I'm targeting US, I'll just go United States as targeting. So that's good for me, but whatever suits you best, just put the targeting, and this campaign is simple. After you do that, go to your ad level and put your creative here. Don't go with dynamic creatives and put 10 or 15 creatives in your ad. Just go with one good ad and create your ad copy. And once you do that, just publish your campaign. So it's a really easy and straightforward process to get a lot of likes and followers on your page. If you're a new page or you're an old Facebook page which not getting a lot of interactions, you can do that, and it works for any niche. If you're running a blog posting Facebook page, a news page, or any type of services page, it will work for all. It's a simple campaign and it will help increase awareness on your Facebook page. I hope this video helps you to understand how you can increase awareness on your Facebook page and get more likes from this campaign in a small budget. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.